Now let's have a look on the momentum candle entries. What are momentum candle entries? See, it's very interesting. Why? Because these type of candles are a lot in the structures and people don't know about them. Let's have a look. Let's have a look on this bullish candle entry that we got because of the momentum candles. Market going up from the extreme low, right? Market went up and created the first support, and we have to mark this support because this support only will give us the first momentum candle entry. This red candle is the momentum candle entry. You get that? The momentum candle entry. Because this momentum candle will come and it will create in the same range its entry moving up, we can take as soon we can go on a small time frame, and as soon as the first resistance, small resistance, is broken, we can take the entry here, keeping the lowest part of the momentum candle that we measured here as our stop loss. This is our stop loss, SL entry. Remember, extreme high we can go with the TP. This is our TP. Okay, so I think you understood how the momentum candle has to be chosen out and taken out, how you can pick out that momentum candle. It's simple. Bearish, let's check it out. Market coming down, created the first support, we marked that created the first resistance, we mark that resistance, and also we mark the area till where the market went up to. As soon as the market comes into this area and goes extreme down, we enter into it. Of course, we cannot enter into the same candle. Maybe we will enter somewhere here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe we are more late, we entered here, but our stop loss will be extreme high to the last swing high which was there. Now on the TP, of course, as I told you, we will be calculating, we will be learning how to calculate the take profit, the risk to reward in one of the next streams that I will be creating. All right, so this is how the momentum candle entry happens. I hope everybody has understood. Let's move ahead.